Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, British Virgin Islands premier arrested on drug charges in Miami? Oh, hell no. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. Talking News is here. Yo, can you guys believe this? The premier of the British Virgin Islands, Andrew Fahy, he was arrested today on charges related to drug trafficking and money laundering. Are you serious? A big man like that? Yo, this is crazy. I know this is some shocking news for people, but yo, that's what's going on. Oh, it's like, let's see what happened today. Let's see. Mr. Fahy and somebody else, they were picked up by the DEA in Miami Opelika Executive Airport. That was this afternoon. And according to, like I said, the report, oh my gosh, the undercover DEA agents, they were posing as cocaine traffickers to see what's going on. And look, there was an alleged shipment of over 700,000 US in cash on an airplane that they believe was destined, to Miami from the Virgin Islands. So they said the agents were reportedly posing as members of a Mexican cartel. And they said Fahy and Umbreja Maynard, they were reportedly in Miami for a convention, I think a cruise convention, and they went to the airport this morning. Wow. To see the alleged load of cash after the DEA agents told them the money was a payoff for allowing the cartels, future cocaine loads to be brought through the British territory to the US. Yo, and you know what? Now they got caught and their lives are in a mess. All I gotta say is, I like talk tough sometimes, and I gotta talk. That boy wasn't dirty. Thinking John Crow. Pussy, you have money. Why you gonna do them things here? Cocaine, it mash up everybody's brain. Not even a Cincy and some money. Cocaine, it fry people's brain. Now you and your brethren are gonna fry. That's no lie. Or who don't like it, let them fry too. And make them get spiritually boom bye. That's right. No crime. All right, people, I am Daddy Reds, and I am the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.